number of scrolls, wow, that's I'm sure it's into the thousands. The last count, this was in the early 2000s, it was at 700. But since then, a plethora of new scrolls have come out, so I know we're into the thousands, but I don't know how many. And I always say that the author, who was known as Dr. Malachi Z. York, today known as Panababia or Panababia has written more books than anyone in history that I know of, but yet it's not yet in the Guinness Book of World Records. And his books cover every subject, whether it's religion, Egyptology, Sumerian history, science, mathematics, astronomy, astrology, any topic that you bring to the table, he's covered.